welcome back to another Bowman Handles Inc. tutorial. I'm Amelia Bowman, and today we're going to talk about the different types of garden hose that we offer here. We get most of our heads out of Brazil from Tramontina, and we have since 1993. They're very good, high quality still, and we rarely, if ever, get a return back for a broken head. It's usually for a broken handle. I want to start with just a regular garden hoe. If you're new to gardening, this may be the only hoe you're familiar with. It's just a good straight edge, it's beveled, so it's very easy to sharpen. Comes with a good sturdy weld and a metal ferrule attached to it. These are great for getting your garden started. They come in a 6, 7, or 8 inch variety. We also have this 7-inch Meadow Hoe available that has a little bit thicker steel, a little bit longer neck, and it comes with a shaped 60-inch handle. The other option for a regular garden hoe is the Shank. Now the difference here is that the Shank goes into the handle. The handle comes with a metal ferrule, unlike some places that do a plastic ferrule. And they also come with a 60-inch handle. Now all of our hoes come with 60-inch handles. Many companies now do a 54 or some even a 48-inch handle, which makes it harder to really reach out and get stuff. The longer ones make that much easier, and it's easier on your back. So once you get your garden planted, or once you get it plowed and ready, these are great for cleaning it up. And then when you get ready to plant, you may want to switch to a Warren Hoe or a Hyde hoe. And again, this has a good beveled edge, easy to sharpen, and these are great for laying off your rows. You can just plop it in the dirt, drag it through, and it gives you a nice trough to put your seeds or your plant in. Then just turn it, cover them back up, and you're good to go. Once your plants start growing, it kind of becomes a hassle to keep the weeds away from the plants. So a garden hoe, just your regular straight edge, is great for keeping your rows clean. But if you want to keep your right around your plants clean, this is the hoe that you need. This is a Butterfly, or you may have heard it called a Convex Hoe. And what's so great about it is, one, it sharpens very easily on 3 sides. Plus, it's real shallow, and so when you go in close to your plant, you're going to grab the grass instead of accidentally getting your plant. Plus, you can turn it on the sides and get a lot of real close detailed work done. The other hoe we have is an onion hoe, or you may have heard it called a worn out hoe. Now, used to, when people worked in the fields, they would have a good garden hoe like this, and once it got wore down from chopping cotton and whatnot, then they would take it to the garden. And it has a similar function to the Butterfly, except it has a straight edge, which may be more desirable for your needs. And that concludes our hoe options. For more information, please give us a call, 1-800-736-0390, or visit our website, bowmanhandlesinc.com, on Facebook at Bowman Handles Inc., Instagram at Bowman Handles, and Twitter at Bowman Handles. Thanks for tuning in.